pie.
Hello friends, and welcome to a special Thanksgiving vlog. I'm so excited. This is actually the day before Thanksgiving as of right now, and I am about to make a pecan pie. It is my husband's favorite. It's something very special to him. So I'm going to use a family recipe from my side and kind of update it a little bit and make it a little bit easier, but still kind of keeping that home good taste that is known for pecan pie. And the first thing that I'm going to do is put in this pie crust. Baking the old pie crust it's difficult, so that's why I got Pillsbury to help me out here. But I'm going to start with that, and then I'll show you along the way exactly what goes into it, and we'll see what the finished product looks. So yeah, I'm actually gonna be using a recipe, a family recipe, which this is my great grandmother's old Better Homes and Gardens cookbook, but it also has some of my great grandmother's recipes in it. So I'm gonna be doing a modified version of it, and I'm really excited because I've never done one before. This is only my second time ever baking a pie, so we're gonna see how this turns out. So we're about to get started on it, and we're going back into the olden days on how to make one of these. Okay, so if you notice, the pans changed different colors during the video. Funny story, actually not that funny, but I did the first pie and it had this perfect crust. It looked really good, except for one thing. I forgot the sugar. I noticed that it looked kind of funny as it was drying, and I was like, I don't know about this. And so I decided to kind of slice, and then I realized the issue was I forgot the sugar. So it did not taste as good as it should. It was kind of falling apart a little bit, but I went back and luckily I had an extra pie crust, so I always have 2 of those. It comes with 2. Maybe get an extra one if you are not used to doing this like I am. But I went back and I'm pretty pleased with how it turned out. I think it looks pretty good. This crust was definitely not, I did it so fast because I was so mad at myself for not putting in the sugar beforehand. So I just kind of did this one a little bit more free-handed, but I think it turned out pretty well. Like, I think it looks good, and it seems like kind of squishy in the middle, like spongy, I guess. So I'm gonna save it and we will have it tomorrow. But yeah, it was pecan pie, something that is tricky to make. It doesn't have a ton of ingredients, but you do have to kind of watch the time, watch how much liquid and everything you're putting it together, because you don't want it to be too wet or anything like that. But yeah, I was bummed about the first one because it looked really good, especially the crust looked amazing, but with no sugar I just don't think it would taste very good, and it did not, because I had a bite of it. But I have this one now, and yeah, so it was just a little fun day before Thanksgiving that I did a little dessert. So I'm gonna do a few other things to get ready for tomorrow, since we're just having a super small gathering, just me and John, Z, our dog, and then we're gonna see my parents, my mom and dad, and Ducky, their dog. So just the 4 of us and 2 pups. But yeah, still gonna be a fun time, and looking forward to celebrating. And I've decided to walk downstairs to the dungeon, which is John's office, and I just gave him lunch. But it's a day off from work, and you're busy at work doing?
Playing World of Warcraft.
You don't have your headset on. I thought you were gonna have your headset on.
I put my headset on.
Okay, we'll make you look really legit.
Yeah. Now, am I a real gamer?
Yes, you look really into it with all these orcs and wizards.
I'm an orc.
You're the orc.
Killing undead people.
And what is this game?
World of Warcraft Shadowlands is a new expansion for World of Warcraft.
I think we're gonna pick up some new viewers with this vlog. I think it's gonna be a
sure.
hit.
Yeah.
But John's hard at work, and I was making the pecan pies because John really wanted a pecan pie. And the first one didn't have sugar in it, and it was gross. But I made the second one. I think it's gonna be good.
It'll be perfect.
And I was doing that, and you were battling the underworld.
Look at me, I'm killing things and winning the game.
John, what's your favorite part about Thanksgiving?
Spending more time with you, away from work, spending time with family.
And Warcraft.
And World of Warcraft.
We'll see what happens with the orcs.
Yep, now I'm on my motorcycle.
Good morning, friends, and it is Thanksgiving, so happy Thanksgiving. It is a beautiful day this morning. I have Z, who's wanting to say hello to every single person that we pass by and all the dogs that we see on our walks. But we are excited that it is Thanksgiving, and since we're not doing any type of 5K, because those are not in existence, I think, right now because of the pandemic, we're doing our own little walk in 5K right now. So you can join us as we do a little exercise this morning on this beautiful Thanksgiving. I always love walking past this blue house because it reminds me of Lady Bird. In fact, on Thanksgiving, when she goes to her little boyfriend's house and to his grandmother's house, and it's the blue house that she's always talking about. So I love walking past this house, but especially today on Thanksgiving. My little friend. And you are beautiful and cute. Hi, friend. So we just got through with our walk. It was so much fun. There's Z. She had a lot of fun too. You can tell that she's getting tired. But we had so much fun on our walk, and now I'm getting ready to go back and do hair and makeup and pick out something to wear. So maybe we'll try to choose something to wear. And yeah, we're gonna get ready for Thanksgiving. So I'm actually in the spare bedroom, and there's my favorite dress. As you can see, I've worn this on my birthday and several pictures on Instagram. I love it so much. But I'm coming in here, which is dark, to pick my outfit for Thanksgiving, which I have all my normal clothes downstairs. And this is actually where I keep all my holiday outfits and my Halloween stuff and everything like that. I have stuff that I've had for literally years, and I usually just get 1 or 2 new pieces a year to add to my collection. As you can tell, this is a skirt that I've worn 1,000,000 times on Instagram, and my favorite orange sweater, my little spooky sweater. But I am looking for a Thanksgiving outfit, and I think I am going to go with this beauty from a few years ago. And I think it's festive, it's fun, it's kind of warm today, so short sleeved. But even though we're only going to see my mom and dad, I still want to look festive and cute.
Oh, Z. Little squirmy.
Little squirmy. And our outfit. Oh, Lord. And our outfits ready for Thanksgiving. Family pictures.
Yay.
She's like, put me down. Hey. Oh, no, this is an old camera. I'm vlogging right now. Say hello.
Hi.
What's going on in here?
How you talking?
I'm talking. There's Dot. Oh, Thanksgiving.
I love Thanksgiving.
What's your favorite part of it? The house is decorated so festive in here.
Yeah, real.
Watching Seinfeld.
Look up there.
I know, we got reindeer.
Oh, that's beautiful.
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 Mom, the house looks so nice. It looks so festive.
Thank you.
That was good. And Dad's over here eating the eggs. And the puppy is over here looking for snacks.
Yeah,
There you go.
And John's over here with his new friend. And Dot. Okay, that was good. I'm glad we got that in there. Thanksgiving.
Yay.
We have leftovers in the back. Woo. We have a tired pup in our hands. And we had a fun day. And now we get ready for Christmas.
Yay, come on.
So happy
Happy Thanksgiving, and we hope that you enjoyed this video.
Woo!